I believe. It's Saturday. We are about to go into town and go shopping. We did a little bit of shopping yesterday. I was able to get something for my kids, my husband, and my father. Today I'm going to look for something for my sister and my mom. So we are about to leave here soon. And then after shopping, we are going on a dinner boat trip to go to the Cirque De Soleil show, which I am very, very, very excited for. I've been looking forward to this like since the trip started. So we're about to leave here soon. Let me get my glasses ready. And it's really hot in town, so I'm just wearing shorts and a swimsuit top. I think it's extremely hot. And you end up finding out that you can sweat in places that you never imagined. Okay. I want to see what it looks like this morning. It's so pretty outside. Let me show you. This morning I came out and I sat on a hammock for like about an hour and it was so relaxing. And then our breakfast came and we ate pretty good. Now it's time to get out because this is our last day. We finally reached the flea market. She just got in the car with us. We don't really know her. We don't really know her back there.
La mafita. Pero.
Oh, fuck.
Tisa, where you get her from? Where you get her? Cause I smell it. Hey.
Okay, y'all, we got our tickets for the boat and we basically had to go through like a TSA almost just to get onto the boat. Kind of weird. They took all the plastic. Took all your plastics, but now we're gonna walk over to the boat, I assume. We're about to do our boat ride. It's a full bar. Okay, y'all, so a little backstory. My name is Alex, and my friend's name is Ivy, but we saw these two drunk girls, so Ivy turns into a different person when she gets drunk, and her name is Tiffany. And my name is Heather at that point, so I am Heather right now, and Tiffany is gone. Like, we have to go save Tiffany.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Hi, Tiffany. This is Jeremy. Excuse me.
Hello.
Hi, Jeremy. That's Alex. we're looking for you. Okay. We got like extremely drunk on the boat ride, so I'm trying to pull myself together to walk across this bridge and at least make it to where we're gonna have dinner and watch the show because Tiffany. Let's go.
All I said was you better come on.
That's
all I said. I ain't even talking about nothing.
So at this point, it looks like it's a voyage all the way to where we're gonna have dinner. So we're here, and I'm assuming we have to get like all the way over there behind the tree somewhere. So I'm gonna cut my camera off now, but I did want to show y'all just these little decorations they had going on up here. It is November 6th, and they celebrated the Day of the Dead a few days ago. So I wanted to show you guys this, and then I am going to cut my camera off.
And you kind of like you walk on hard stuff like rocks. And
It just felt like it feels sensitive.
yeah.
Okay. Dinner is done. I have my drink still. We are going to the theater now for the show. You ready, Tiffany?
What?
You
What?
The damn sand got me blown, y'all.
What?
Hello, hello.
Hola.
Muy bien, ¿y tú?
Igualmente.
Ah, excelente, bien español, bien
yeah. Okay, y'all, this shit is a hike. We've been going uphill for at least 3 minutes now. Jesus Christ. You didn't what?
I have to experience this shit. At all. I'm over it.
Over it, bro.
Over it.
Over this shit.
I'm breathing hard and all.
Right?
Me too. And I'm drunk. That don't make it even better.
This shit for the birds.
Bitch, this shit is
Flying
for
on my
the white
fucking
people that
face.
like Okay, the show was amazing. I did get a little bit of footage, but I kind of put my phone down because the show was that good. Oh my God. I'm so glad we came. So we're headed back to the boat now. We're going back to the port and then back to our hotel and get some sleep. So we'll see you guys later. Okay. Okay, so 11. Okay. Okay, so after we left the boat show or whatever, Ivy lost her shoe. So we get to the hotel. We're like, we're just gonna order some food to go. We're gonna go to the room, go pack our bags, right? We get all the way to the hotel, and it's like our room is like a mile away from the front office, and we left our key in the room. Now we made dinner reservations, but we wanted to take it to go. So we get here, we can't take our food to go, so now we're just standing here in this elegant. Now we're sitting here in this elegant ass restaurant. Ivy has one shoe on, like. Oh my God.